Hello, today I'm going to show you how to perform a pedicure. It is a science in itself. If you believe that taking care of your feet can be done in 5 minutes, you're mistaken. Even our beloved toes can look nice and well cared for if you just dedicate a little time to them once in a while. Dirt can be built up under the nail and in the nail bed in particular. Since most people don't make the effort to thoroughly clean their feet in the shower, bacteria can build up. Taking care of your feet correctly can be just as time consuming as taking care of your hands. And to perform a pedicure with this or with a nail file is a good thing. It Out there are different types of nail files. Nail files are available in a variety of size and shapes and different grit levels. On the market, you will find nails files ranging from 8 centimeters to 25 centimeters in length with either a straight or a concave form. The slight curvature or bending prevents slipping when finger the nails. Models are great for manicure cases of traveling. Long nails files are mainly used for at-home manicure or pedicures or by professional in nail and beauty studios. And this is a metal nail file. These are generally coated with sapphire or diamond different grit levels. A coarse grit file, such as 80 grit, is used for rough filling. A fine grit, such as at 120, is used for smoothing and finishing the nails. The higher the number, the finger, the grit on the nail file. By comparison, a nail buffer is between 9,000 grit and 12,000 grit. And this nail file here is a metal diamond nail file. This is a REMOS Diamond File. It has a very coarse and fine surface. And on both sides, this REMOS Diamond Nail Files can be used on both sides and has a fine and a very coarse side, ideal for filling thick nails and cornea. The diamond dust coated file is very gentle and seals the pores of the nail, unlike convenience files, which tear the nail. Due to the hardness of the material diamond coating for here, the disinfectable file is very durable. The length is 15 or 20 centimeters, as you like. These are 5.9 inches or 7.8 inches. Diamond file, stainless steel, sterile with fine and coarse surface. And begin on the edges, on the right and on the left side of your nails. And form a flat and sharp surface with the graphite first. It should be in one line with your toe, and then go from the outside to the inner side to form a nice model of your nails. You can also use this diamond file to fight against this bigger part of skins. Oh yeah, this will help you to remove corns and of course other problems on your feet. It is easy to use and it will help you to make a perfect pedicure. This larger size of the file is better for pedicure, I think so, and the smaller ones are better for manicure. But also, it is the same system you can do. Start from the side, go in a half moon over your nails into the center of it. Then start on the other side, go from the side to the center of your nail. Godlike. First, um, first the side, the coarse side, and then repeat it with a fine surface. And then the fine surface will finish your work and job's done immediately. If you perform this once a week, you will have better nails like me, as me here shown before. So that is how to perform a pedicure with a file. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.